Good morning, class 5. In the previous class, you have read how to reduce a fraction into its lowest form or lowest terms. And now we are going to understand to compare two rational numbers and how to write rational numbers, given rational numbers, in ascending order or descending order. So take a look at this.
Students, our topic is comparison of fractions and ascending and descending order. Comparison of like fractions. The first thing is comparison of like fractions. Do you know like fractions? Like fractions having the same denominator. In like fractions, greater the numerator, greater will be the value of the fraction or fractional number. For example, you can see here 2 by 5 and 7 by 5, there are two fractions having the same denominator 5, and you can see the 7 is greater than 2, so 7 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. This is very simple. You just check the numerator. If denominators are same, you just check the numerator, which is greater than the whole fraction is greater. Now you can see 3 by 13 and 1 by 13. 3 by 13 is greater than 1 by 13 because 3 is greater than 1. 14 by 9 and 17 by 9. 9 same, so 17 is greater, so 17 by 9 is greater than 14 by 9. Now comparison of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions having different denominators, but if numerators of fractions are same. Unlike fractions having different denominators, but if numerators are same, then what happens? Then greater the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fractional number. Very simple. Here you can see 5 by 11 and 5 by 13. In these two fractions, the numerators are same, that is 5 and 5. But here the denominator is 11 and denominator is 13. And you can see this number having that smaller denominator is greater. It means if numerators are same, you just check about denominators, and if denominator is smaller, then the number is greater. Here you can see 19 by 5 and 19 by 8. In these two numbers, the numerators are 19 and here denominator is 5, here denominator is 8. It means this number is greater because this denominator is smaller. If denominator is smaller, if numerators are same, then you can say that the number is greater. Here also you can see that both numerators are same, 25, and here the denominator is 4 and denominator is 7. And this is a smaller, so this number 25 by 4 is greater. Very simple, these two things. Like fractions and unlike fractions having same numerator. Now we have to talk about comparison by cross multiplication method. This method is used for any fraction, any type of fractions. Suppose we have to compare 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. Here no numerators are same, no denominators are same. So you just multiply, cross multiply actually, and check how. We just write the numbers, and first you have to multiply the numerator of the first number and denominator of the second number. So 7 into 2, and write in the left side 7 into 2, that is 14, and 3 into 5, that is the denominator of the first one and the numerator of the second one, and write in the right side 3 into 5, 15. And if 15 is greater, that side of fraction is greater, so 5 by 2 is greater than 7 by 3. Okay, likewise 2 whole 1 by 5, 14 by 9. 2 whole 1 by 5 can be written as 11 by 5. And the second number is 14 by 9. You just multiply 11 into 9 and write in left 99. Then multiply 5 into 14 and write in right side 70. And you can see 99 is greater than 70. So the left side of the number, that is 2 whole 1 by 5, is greater than 14 by 9. You have to be careful about right, left and right. If you multiply the numerator of the first one and denominator of the second, then write in the left side. And नीचे वाले से ऊपर वाले को multiply करें तो right side. Okay. Next. Here comparison by taking LCM. We have to compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 8 by taking LCM. So make the denominators same. That is 3 by 4 and 5 by 8 are the numbers. We have to find out the denominators LCM, that is 4 and 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So you have to make this number in the form of denominator 8. So 3 by 4, 4 into 2, 8. So you have to multiply numerator by 2 also. So it is 6 by 8. It means equivalent fractions you have to find out. Now this is 8. So you just multiply by 1. That is 5 by 8. So 6 by 8 and 5 by 8 having the same denominators, and use the first rule. The 6 is greater, so the number 6 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. And 6 by 8 is for 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 8. Very simple. Now we have to arrange these given numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 2 by 5, 3 by 2, 1 by 4, 7 by 10. These given numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 5, 2, 4, 10. The LCM of the denominators is 20. To make 20 the denominators, we just multiply 2 by 5 by 4 in both, that is 8 by 20. 3 by 2, so 2 is multiplied by 10, then it will be 20, so multiply by 10 both. 4 can be 20 by multiplying by 5, so we have to multiply by 5 both. Then 7 by 10, so 10 is multiplied by 2, then we will get 20, so we have to multiply. Now this number 8 by 20, 30 by 20, 5 by 20 and 14 by 20. Denominators are same, so we just write from smaller to greater. 5 is smaller, so 5 by 20 is smaller. Then 8 is smaller, so 8 by 20 is smaller, greater. Next 14 by 20 is, and then 30 by 20. 5 by 20 is for 1 by 4. I am writing here 1 by 4. And 8 by 20 is for 2 by 5, so 2 by 5. Then 14 by 20 is for 7 by 10, 7 by 10. And this 30 by 20 is for 3 by 2, so it is 3 by 2. This is the ascending order. Likewise, we have to arrange the numbers in descending order also. Suppose there are the numbers 2 whole 5 by 6, 7 by 18, 4 whole 1 by 4 and 10 by 9. In these numbers, two numbers are in mixed form, so first we have to change it into improper. 2 whole 5 by 6 is 17 by 6, second number is 7 by 18, third number is 4 whole 1 by 4, that is 17 by 4, and last number is 10 by 9. Now the numbers are 17 by 6, 7 by 18, 17 by 4 and 10 by 9. I am using here different method, very simple method. You just find out the LCM of the denominators 6, 18, 4, 9. That is the LCM of the denominator is 36. You can see. Now write 36 here. And now read the table of the denominator, first denominator 6. 6 6 ja 36. So multiply by 6 into 17. Now 18 2 ja 36. So you have to multiply by 2. 7 into 2. 4 9 ja. So multiply 17 by 9. 9 4 ja 36. So you have to multiply by 4. This is 102, this is 14, this is 153, and this is 40. Write down 36 as usual. Now make it in descending order. 153, then 102, then 40, then 14. 153 is for 17 by 4. Right, 17 by 4. 102 is for 17 by 6. Write down. 40 is for 10 by 9. And 14 is for 7 by 18. So write 7 by 18. 17 by 4 is 4 whole 1 by 4. 17 by 6, 2 whole 1, 5 by 6. And 10 by 9 is given. And 7 by 18 is given. So this is the descending order.
So students, I think you understand how you can compare given two fractions and how you can arrange in ascending or descending order. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.